Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the FEKER IK85 Plus. This is a mechanical keyboard that offers up wireless connectivity. It was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. This is the product box. You can see the keyboard itself. Really striking looking keyboard that offers up great value as well. So inside the box we get the keyboard itself. We also get some instructions. We also get a keycap puller and some extra switches in here as well. And we also get a cable, which is full-size USB to USB-C. The keyboard itself looks absolutely stunning. I really do like the look of this keyboard. It's absolutely gorgeous in its really sort of contrasting colorway as well. We've got this bright aqua blue, we've got black keys around the outside, and then this lighter grey key panel in the middle. You'd also see a light blue colour piece just here, and this is the switch where we can actually turn it into the Bluetooth pairing mode or wireless mode or connected mode. Very, very nice indeed. I like the way they've integrated this. You'll also notice we have got some LED feedback on the back of the keyboard when it's turned on. If we take a quick look at the back, you can see we've got a Type-C connection here for wired use. We've also got a charging port just here, and then we've got a switch where we can switch between Windows and Mac support. Really nice to see that. We've also got some flip out feet on the bottom, so we can flip these out at two different heights. So you've got little mini ones or larger ones. So these are the mini ones, and then we've got the larger ones for two different angles of height adjustment. There's also rubberized feet on the base as well. The profile, if we take a look at the side, nice profile. It's quite a chunky feeling keyboard. If we look on the bottom, we've got this metal panel with some details in here about the 8000 milliamp hour battery. You'll also note that you can use this wired 2.4 gigahertz, or indeed we can use it Bluetooth as well. Let's give you a little look at these feet, a little bit closer look at these feet as well. Really nice feet on the bottom of the keyboard. If we turn this back around, you'll also see a nice little metal piece on here. And this is a compact keyboard with no numeric keypad. So let's have a listen to how this sounds. And you'll notice that even though this is a mechanical keyboard, it's quite a dampened sound, and that's thanks to its gasket design. It really has got a nice actuation to the keys, a good amount of travel and really nice feedback. It's super comfortable to use. I love the fact that we've got these highlighted keys in the different colour for the escape, spacebar, enter, and the up, down, left and right arrow keys. And I love the contrast look to this as well. The added flexibility of using it 2.4 gigahertz, Bluetooth or wired really adds to the appeal. It's just a stunning looking keyboard. As I mentioned earlier, when you check out the price, you'll be very, very pleasantly surprised. This is a great keyboard and I can highly recommend it. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.